Here's a quick question. You borrow 100 coins for a year and pay back 110. Which number is the interest? 10, 100, or 110? Hold that thought. We'll reveal the answer shortly. In this video, you'll learn what interest is, what the principal is, and how to find the total amount you pay back. We'll also come back to the question and reveal the correct answer. Here's the key idea. Imagine you ask to borrow 10 coins. I say yes, you can use it for a whole year. But when you return it, you don't just give back 10, you give back 12. That extra 2 coins is called interest. It's the extra money you pay because you got to use someone else's money for time. You can think of it like profit. If something costs 10 and you sell it for 12, the extra 2 is profit. With borrowing, you're not selling an object. You're paying for the use of money. Now, back to the question. You borrowed 100 and paid back 110. The interest is 10, the extra amount. The principal is 100, the amount borrowed. And the total payback is 110. And here's the shortcut to remember it. Total payback equals principal plus interest. Now let's go over a quick example. If you borrow $50 for 1 year and the interest is $5, then you pay back $55 total. Before we move on, here's a common confusion. Interest isn't a punishment for being late. It's the agreed extra cost for using money over time, even if you pay on time. So far, you know 3 parts. The principal is what you borrow, interest is the extra, and total payback is what you return altogether. Want to check your progress? Tap the link for a quick practice test and a concise study guide tailored to this lesson. Quiz yourself, skim the highlights, and jump back in. Now let's take it one step further. What if you borrow money for less than a year? Since interest depends on time, borrowing for less time usually means less interest. For example, suppose you borrow $200 for 6 months, and the interest for those 6 months is $10. Then the total you pay back is $210. Now notice what that tells you about time. If the rate stays the same, interest scales with time. So a full year would usually mean about double the interest. 6 months was $10, so 12 months would be about $20. If you're unsure, ask yourself one quick question. Is this number the borrowed amount or the extra? That single check prevents most mistakes. To recap, interest is the extra beyond what you borrowed. Principal is the original amount. Total payback is principal plus interest, like 50 to 55 or 200 to 210. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.